Try not to talk while watching this video. Yup, you heard it right. If you talk or speak while watching this video, you will lose this challenge. Rules. Skipping the video, leaving in between, or speeding up the video is equals to automatically fail. Okay, first I have a pre-challenge for you. So, are you ready? The challenge started. Look at this picture. What is the answer? Tell me in the comments and like the video if you completed this level. Level 2. I will show you a word, and you have to repeat it correctly 5 times in a row before the timer ends. Ready? Go. Level 3. Stick your tongue to your top teeth and say the names of 3 animals in 6 seconds. Hi. Did you complete these challenges? Nice. Anyway, I hear you really like ice cream, right? Which is better, ice cream or cookies? Wait a second. Why are you not talking? Oh, I guess you really want to win this challenge, right? Don't you want to talk? Okay, I want to tell you something. Ready? Level 2 and 3 were distraction challenges to get you talking. Now, did you talk while watching this video? Tell me in the comments. Please share the video if you win this challenge. Have a wonderful day.